Okay, so you have to convert into octal number system. 165 is on your screen. 165. To convert into octal number system, divide by 8. Okay, so this will give you 8 20 ja 160, remainder is 5. Then, sorry, I have written in the wrong place. 5 will be here. Then 8 2 is 16, remainder is 4. Then 8. Now because 2 is smaller than 8, so 8 zeros are 0, remainder is 2. Okay, so now from bottom to up we will arrange the number 0 2 4 5 bracket close with the base number 8. So this becomes 165 in the decimal becomes 0245 in the octal system. Okay, now one more easy technique I will show you, but before that we will do what decimal to hexadecimal we will do first. Okay, has everyone understood? Has everyone
Yes, sir.
understood this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
now first we will do decimal to hexadecimal first. Okay, so let us take any binary number, let's say 243 in the base 10. We have to convert it into hexadecimal number system. What is the answer? Follow the same process. 243 divided by 16 this time, because hexadecimal base number is 16. Okay, this is 10. Okay, so now 16. Okay, we just increase the size width. Okay, anyone do the division part in your rough work? 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, so not possible. 16 ones are 16. 24 minus 16 is 8, 83. 16 fives are 80, so remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. Okay, then 16, 15 is smaller than 16, so 16 zeros are 0, remainder becomes 15. Okay, now be very careful. If we write the answer like this 1 5 3, this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because in hexadecimal number system, any number which is greater than 9, okay, then it is follow like this. If it is 10, then becomes A. If it becomes 11, it becomes B. If it is 12, it becomes C. If it is 13, it becomes D. If it is 14, it becomes E. And if it is 15, it becomes F. Okay. So is 3 lies in between
But
these
this used
tens?
to this used to happen in octadecimal.
Yes.
But this used to happen in octal numbers.
Who
This
said octal number?
ABC.
Who is that speaking? Please tell me. Tell me your name first.
Rajkumar.
Ayush Kumar. Ayush, what is the question? Am I discussing octal number system now? Am I discussing octal number system now? Okay. So now you see again from the down to bottom, 0 is a single digit number, so 0 will come as it is. Now next you have 15. Now in the hexa number system, please put your mute option on. Your sound is coming. Now if from bottom to up, if you go, the next number is the 15. Now in the hexadecimal number system, there is no call number 15. So you have to see what is equivalent to 15, that is F. So you will write F in the place of 15. And 3 will be as it is 3. Because in the hexa number system, first your number system is from 0 to 9. And after 9, if it is 10, then 10 you will write A, 11 it becomes B, 12 it becomes C, 13 it becomes D, 14 it becomes C, 15 it becomes F. We will do one more question if everyone has copied down. We'll do another question, that is decimal to hexadecimal. Okay. Decimal to hexadecimal. Here is the question. 387 decimal number. You have to convert into hexadecimal number. How will you do? Follow the steps. Step number 1, I'm rubbing this. Okay. Step number 1, 387, we will write like this. And we will divide the number by 16. So 16 twos are 32. 6 comes down, 67. So 67, 16, 4s are 64. Remainder is 3. Okay, then you have 16. 16 ones are 16. Your remainder is 8. Okay, 1 is smaller than 16, so 16 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Arrange the number from bottom to up. It becomes 0, 1, 8, 3. This is your hexadecimal number system. Okay. I'll try to give some more complex question. Let's say 495. Next question. If you are done, write it fast, everyone. And today I will give homework also, number conversion. Okay. Don't forget to do this. The next question is 493. Okay. So let's do this. The next question. So 493 to be divided by 16. Okay, 16 threes are 48. 1 comes down. 13. Okay, so 13 is the remainder. Is it so? Sixteen thirties are 480. Okay, remainder is 13. Then 16 ones are 16. Remainder is 14. 16 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Okay. Now, if we arrange the number from bottom to up, it is what? 0, 1,
Sir, 0, 1 is
14, 13. First, you write like this: 0, 1, 14, and 13. Now, in hexadecimal number system, 14 means E and 13 means D. Okay, 1 will remain as 1, 0 remains as 0. So your answer is 0, 1, E and D. This is your hexadecimal number system. Okay, always remember any number which is more than 10 in the hexadecimal number system had to be given by the alphabets, that is A to F. Okay. Now today we have discussed two things, decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal. Okay. Now we will just discuss the reverse. We'll discuss the reverse thing. Okay, that is octal to octal to decimal and hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, octal to decimal and hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, I'm using a different coloring. First we will discuss octal to decimal. Octal to decimal. Now in the octal to decimal, what you have to do is that, suppose you have an octal number. Okay, is my question correct? Is my question correct?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Who said yes, sir? Who said yes, sir? Please respond.
60.
Who
Sir,
said,
it is wrong because 79 is not a octal number.
why 79 is not octal number? That is what my question is.
Sir, because
Say
9 is not
octal number.
an octal
Sir,
number.
because it is decimal number and it comes
that
from
is
0 to 9.
0
0
to
to
9.
9 is not
If you
Between.
see 7 is between
9
0
is
to
not
9.
octal
Okay.
number.
In the octal number system, your number range from 0 to 7, not 0 to 9. Okay, 7 is
Sir,
between 0 to 7. But if you see 9, 9 doesn't comes under 0 to 7. So that is why this is not an octal number. That is why it is not an octal number. None of you have studied and you are expecting me to complete the syllabus. All of you forgot. Shame. Very shame. In the first class only I told you, in the decimal number system, every digit has to be in between 0 to 9. In the binary number system, every digit has to be with 0 and 1. In the octal number system, every digit has to be in between 0 to 7. And in the hexadecimal number system, every digit has to be in between 0 to F. Out of 0 to F, you have two categories. One is from 0 to 9. And from 10 onwards, 10 and above, it will becomes A, B, C, D, E, and F. Forgot? Everyone forgot? I will also see how good you write computer exam. You are wasting the teacher's effort. I will also see how you write your computer exam. Wait. Okay. The base number of the decimal number is 10. That is why 0 to 9 is equal to 10. If you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Total number, if you count, it is 10. Then binary number, base number is 2. So 0 and 1. Total number is 2. Octal number, base number is 8. So if you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, total number is 8. Total number of digit is 8. That is why base number 8 in the octal. In the hexadecimal, if you see, it becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now, if you count total number of digits, it becomes 16. That is why hexadecimal base number 16. Everyone forgot. Chi, chi, chi. Shameless. Okay, so now 189 in the octal number system. I'll convert it into decimal number system. Okay. Is that clear? No response. No response.
Sir, I think the question is wrong.
Anupam Kumar Anand. Why question is wrong?
Sir, because 9 is there and in octal
Only 9 is there.
there was
Only 9 is there.
8, sir, 8 and
So
9.
Yes, since 8 and 9 is there in the octal number system, in the octal number, your number should vary from 0 to 7. So question is wrong. Question is wrong. I will give you this kind of questions. Don't worry. In your half yearly exam, let me see how you understand. Okay. So now if I write 56, is this a octal number system?
yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
56
Yes,
is the
sir.
octal number system.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay, chalo. Now I have to convert into the decimal number system. Okay. So how I will write? See the process. I will write 5 and 6 separately. Okay. The right hand value has lowest power, that is 0. The right hand value has highest power, that is power 1. Okay. Now what I will do? 5, since I am converting from octal to decimal, I will write this 5 as 5 into 8. What is the power value? 1. 8 to the power 1 plus 6 into 8. What is the power value? 0. Okay. Now 8 to the power 0 is how much? 8 to the power 0 is how much?
8 to the power 1.
8 to the power 0 is how much? Chalo, multiple choice question. Let me see. 0, 8, 8 to the power 1, 1. Which one is the correct answer?
So both.
Huh?
Both.
Which both?
8 to the power 1.
You have 4 options. Choose the correct option.
So 8 to the power 1.
8 to the power 1. Anyone else?
Sir, first one.
1 is the correct.
All the answer is wrong. Correct answer is 1. That shows you all did not study. I have told you in the beginning of the class, and also I have told that if you forget, you have my YouTube videos so that you can go through and remember all the topics. None of you have studied. Okay. So from next time onwards, I will stop giving study materials. I will stop recording the classroom. What I will teach is teach, and it will be final. You do your work. I will directly take the exam. Any number that is x to the power 0 is equal to always 1. Any number, x can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 100,000, lakhs, crore, any number to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So this becomes 6 into 1 plus 5 into 8 to the power 1 means 8 into 1, which is equal to 8. If it was 8 square, then it would have become 8 into 8. So this is 8 what? So how much? 5 8s are 40 plus 6. 5 8s are 40 and 6. There is some problem. Someone is disturbing. Who is that? Ayush Kumar. Which is equal to 46. 46 is the answer to the base 10. Note it down properly, everyone. Very careless. I will call each of your parents and I will tell you, and I will tell them that you all are not studying. Very careless. I am doing the board work for you. I am recording the classes for you. In spite of that, none of you are studying.
Can you explain again? Because when it's not connection was not good. I got disconnected.
Now I will not explain again. It is already recorded. It is your duty to check the YouTube channel and see the classes again. I am not going to waste any time. Because all these days you all did not study. You don't even remember the rules and the regulations properly. I will not teach again. I will not clarify your doubt. You do it by yourself. So 46 is the answer. Next, we will take some bigger example. 257. This is octal to decimal, mind you. You have to convert into decimal. Do it. I have shown you the step. Do it fast. What you will do? Divide the number into two halves. 2, 5, and 7. The right hand value will always have a lowest power, that is 0. This will have 1. This will have 2. Okay, always start from right hand side. The right one side always have a lowest power. If you move towards the left hand, the power will increase. So now this becomes 2 into 8 square. This becomes 5 into 8 to the power 1. This becomes 7 into 8 to the power 0. Plus and plus sign in the middle. Okay, 8 square means? 8 square is? What is 8 square?
64.
64.
Sir, 8 into 8.
Okay, so 8 square means 64. So 2 into 64 plus 5 into how much? 8 to the power 1. 8 to the power 1 is how much?
8.
8.
8.
And then 7 into
1.
7 into 1.
8.
7
7
into
into
8.
1. 7.
Again, 8 to the power 0 is 8. Who is this idiot? Pragati? Namausumi.
No, sir.
Any number to the power 0 is 1. X is any number to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay. Now add up and tell me the result fast, quick.
Sir, 100. Sir, 175.
Okay, those who have completed the question, please share your answer in the Zoom chat. Fast. Those who have completed the question, please share your answer in the Zoom chat. Quick. Those who have completed the answer, please share your answer in the Zoom chat. $175, Anupam. No one else? No one else have done?
Sir, I have done. but,
Swanan.
cannot
Swanan 175. Correct. Okay, so now listen everyone very carefully. Today I am going to give not many, only 15 number conversion question in the Google Classroom. Okay. The date of submission of your homework is Sunday. I repeat, Sunday.